What's that noise? Oh, it's my tummy. Oh, I forgot. I haven't had my sandwich.
William!
Oh, what was that?
Excuse me. It's my tummy. It's complaining because it hasn't had anything to eat today.
Oh, dear. Well, we'll have to do something about that.
Oh!
A fine piece of timber is that, young Doke. Oh, we'd best get inside before it starts raining.
Raining? There's not a cloud in the sky, Albert.
Well, there will be soon. Didn't you hear that thunder? Oh, there it is again.
I think that was my tummy, Albert.
Your tummy? Oh, well, perhaps you better have something to eat.
Oh, yes, that would be nice. I've brought back the book that Marcus lent me. Ooh.
What was that?
It's Mr. Doke's tummy! It's been doing it all day!
Yes, I missed my breakfast, you see.
Missed breakfast? Oh, that'll never do. Don't you worry, Oakie. I'll fix you something to eat.